Welcome to our video where we dive into the fascinating world of Nagano Tonic. This innovative drink has been making waves in the health and wellness community, particularly for its role in weight management. Designed to support your fitness journey, Nagano Tonic combines natural ingredients that aim to boost metabolism and promote a leaner physique. As we explore its benefits, you'll discover why this tonic is gaining popularity among those looking to shed pounds and enhance their overall well-being. Stay tuned as we share real reviews and insights that can help you decide if Nagano Tonic is the right addition to your health routine. What is Nagano Tonic? Nagano Tonic is a specially formulated beverage designed to support weight loss and body toning. This tonic features a blend of natural ingredients, including green tea extract, apple cider vinegar, and various herbal extracts, all known for their metabolism-boosting properties. The formulation claims to help users shed unwanted pounds while promoting a leaner physique. What sets Nagano Tonic apart from other weight management drinks is its unique combination of traditional Japanese ingredients, which are believed to enhance energy levels and improve digestion. With its refreshing taste and potential health benefits, Nagano Tonic aims to be a go-to choice for those seeking a holistic approach to weight management. User experiences and testimonials. When it comes to Nagano Tonic, user experiences vary widely, offering a comprehensive view of its effectiveness. Many users, including fitness enthusiasts and busy professionals, report positive results, noting increased energy levels and improved digestion. One user shared that they lost several pounds within a month, attributing their success to the tonic's metabolism-boosting properties. However, some users expressed mixed feelings, mentioning that while they enjoyed the taste, they didn't see significant weight loss. Common themes among testimonials include enhanced energy and a feeling of fullness, which many found helpful in curbing cravings. Overall, these experiences provide valuable insights for anyone considering adding Nagano Tonic to their wellness routine. Scientific backing and research. While specific studies on Nagano Tonic itself are limited, several scientific investigations support the individual ingredients commonly found in its formulation. For instance, research on green tea extract has shown its potential to enhance metabolism and aid in weight loss. Additionally, studies on apple cider vinegar suggest it may help regulate blood sugar levels and promote feelings of fullness. The credibility of this research is bolstered by its publication in reputable journals, making it relevant for users seeking evidence-based solutions. Furthermore, nutritionists and health experts have endorsed the tonic, highlighting its natural ingredients and potential benefits for weight management. This scientific backing adds a layer of trust for those considering Nagano Tonic. Comparative analysis. In the weight loss tonic category, Nagano Tonic faces competition from products like apple cider vinegar tonics and detox teas. While these alternatives often focus on detoxification and appetite suppression, Nagano Tonic emphasizes a holistic approach to weight management through its unique blend of natural ingredients. One advantage of Nagano Tonic is its refreshing taste, which many users find more enjoyable than the strong flavors of some competitors. However, some may find that other tonics offer quicker results due to higher caffeine content. What truly sets Nagano Tonic apart is its combination of traditional Japanese ingredients, which not only support weight loss but also promote overall wellness, making it a compelling choice for health-conscious consumers. Potential side effects. While many users enjoy the benefits of Nagano Tonic, it's important to be aware of potential side effects. Commonly reported issues include mild digestive discomfort, such as bloating or gas, particularly due to ingredients like apple cider vinegar. Additionally, those sensitive to caffeine may experience jitters or increased heart rate from the green tea extract. Precautions should be taken for specific user groups, including pregnant or nursing women and individuals with certain medical conditions, such as diabetes or gastrointestinal disorders. To ensure safety and effectiveness, it's always a good idea to consult with a healthcare professional before incorporating Nagano Tonic into your routine, especially if you have any underlying health concerns. In summary, Nagano Tonic offers a unique blend of natural ingredients aimed at supporting weight management and overall wellness. With positive user testimonials highlighting increased energy and appetite control, it stands out in a crowded market. However, potential side effects and the importance of consulting healthcare professionals should not be overlooked. We encourage you to share your own experiences with Nagano Tonic in the comments below. Your insights could help others on their wellness journey. If you found this video informative, Please like and subscribe for more content on health and wellness. Don't forget to explore our related videos for additional tips and insights on achieving your fitness goals.